Let's talk business. You know why India is perfect for global growth? If you're someone interested in investing in India or operating in India or expanding your business, this one's just for you. Stick around for more. Hi, this is Sandhya Dhameja, Chartered Accountant by profession, over 15 years of experience in regulatory and finance sector, founder at FinGuru, a boutique management consulting focused on global business expansions. Heard about India's GDP? India's economy booming, resilient and unstoppable. We're growing nearly at the rate of 7% annually, and by 2030 we'd be the third largest global economy. Third largest. That's not just growth, it's momentum. You know what that means? Bigger markets, strong opportunities and long-term stability. Yeah, let's talk about policies. The government isn't just supporting the businesses, it's rolling out a red carpet. Initiatives like Make in India and Startup India offer tax breaks, incentives and simplified processes to let your business thrive. Looking for setting up a manufacturing plant, production linked incentives is what you've got. Raising funds from outside India for expansion, FDI approvals in almost all the sectors are automatic. If not, prior government permission is allowed. The bonus and the reward here is just to do your business better than you do. Here's the game changer. World's youngest workforce, where over 65% of the population is under 35 years of age. That's energy, that's innovation, and that's hustle. It's not just the workforce, it's an earning class of 580 million people, future ready to spend. That's your market right there. Let's talk about India's digital revolution. UPI transactions, digital payments, e-commerce and quick commerce. It's a whole lot of ecosystem. Billions of transactions happening every day. Plus, infrastructure a cherry on the top. Smart cities, better highways, ports, all the logistics are just sorted. Let's talk about location. India is perfectly placed between east and west, making it a strategic hub for global trade. If you're here, you're connected to the world. Why India? Growth, people, policies, making it a future-ready pathway to start your business. Thinking of expansion? Don't think, start. Still figuring out how to do this? That's where I come in. This is just scratching the surface of Indian business ecosystem. I will deep dive in more business aspects in the coming video series. Stay tuned to know more.